Hi everyone, so I am going to show you how to make a bird feeder out of a milk carton. So you will need some string, a pencil, a milk carton and some permanent pens. I'm going to use Sharpies and a pair of scissors. You will also need some bird seed. If you don't have bird seed, just get a slice of bread and cut it up very finely, like I have. So it's just little squares. One slice is enough. So let's get started. So first you want to take the milk carton and your pencil, and you want to draw just down this side. I'm going to do it on my side, but just down this side, like a wee doorway for the bird to get in. So I'll start mine just now just to show you. Just like that. And on the top here, you can draw a wee pattern on it, or you can put a little window again, but this window won't be opened. Like this. Just like that. So that's the full thing. And then next, you might want to have an adult help you with this part. So you want to take your scissors and in the middle, just put a little incision with your scissors. I would advise that you get the adult to do this part. It's just so that you don't cut yourself. And then you just cut up, just straight up to the line where you just drew. Like so that you have just an incision. And with the part that's mostly cut along, because this is going to be the doors. And the same at the other side. Like so. Now you want to fold them back to where you drew your line. Like that. Next, you want to take the top off. Same, get your adult to help you with this part. So to make things a lot quicker with this part, I'm going to use the tip of my hot glue gun just to melt the holes, like so, and then use your scissors just to widen them. Like that. Don't know if you can see that, but obviously if you've got an adult helping you, they can use the scissors, as we don't want you to cut yourself. So next, you want to take your string and you want to cut off just about that much. This is just so that you have like a top stringy part to hang on your tree. So you want to thread both ends through your top of your milk carton. like so, and pull through, and then you want to knot it. Like so, and then pull back through, and there's the hanging part for your top, and put it back on, and it should hang like that. But next, you want to design it. Oh, I've still got some water in mine. I'll dry mine before I put my food in it. So you want to design yours. So I'm going to put like little flowers on mine. You can design both sides if you like. That's up to you. So I'm just doing one flower just now, just to give you an example, and I'll finish it later. Like so. But with your little windows, you can also draw on them as well. So I'm going to use a thicker one this time, because that was a really thin one I used. So I'm going to do the doors first, and I'm going to draw as if it's little curtains, and just colour them in. Like so. I'll just do one side, just to show you, as I don't want the video to go on too long. This should give it a little stained glass effect when it's outside, and it should attract like all the little birds instead of the big birds. So like that. So you can do that on both. Now I'm going to take one of my favourite colours, which is green. And just along here, I'm going to write Amanda's Bird's House. like that. So once you're finished decorating it all, you then want to take your food, whether it's birdseed or any bread, anything that birds eat, and you want to just stick it inside. Now that wee tub, from where I've got it, is enough for inside this carton. So once you're finished and you've filled it up, go and stick it outside for all the birds to have something to eat. And I hope you have loads and loads of fun making yours. Can't wait to see them if you send the pictures in to us. And thank you. Bye.